I'm so happy to see you there for our second episode of the mystery of the Yellow Dragon. Tao and Capucine have just arrived in Hangzhou to meet their friend Lilou and Matisse. Are you ready? Let's go!
In the magnificent city of Hangzhou, Tao and Capucine find Lilou and Matisse in the secret kitchens of West Lake. As if by magic, their book opens and a new recipe appears.
Mono piece cake?
With blackberry buttercream.
Look, something is forming in the icing. It looks like the Great Wall of China.
Our two explorers thank Lilou and Matisse and head for the magic bus, which, to their surprise, transforms to a bamboo boat. The children navigate the Grand Canal of China, headed toward Beijing. You just listened to the second episode of the mystery of the Yellow Dragon. See you soon for the rest of the adventures of Tao and Capucine. In the meantime, I invite you to discover the videos of the recipes. If you liked the story, do not hesitate to like the video, to talk about it around you, and to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media, and if you want to get our book, go to amoureusedunetarte au citron.com. See you!